my channel. Today what I'm going to be showing you is how to do a winged liner look. So yeah, I have been doing winged liner for the longest because ever since I was in school I was that girl with the winged liner. I remember I used to like pull my eye and like, you know, just make it like a flat surface, but nah, we've advanced our methods and our methodologies, okay? Yeah, if you want to know how I do winged liner and what I think is an easy method to achieve the winged liner look, then please keep watching. So let's get started. I'm looking like a bare baby-faced babe right now because no action on the lids. So let's get our liner. My favorite liner at the moment, it is the liquid gel eyeliner by Marc Jacobs. I just love how this applies. I love how this goes so nicely on. I'm gonna show you how to bag an 8-figure check, paycheck. Okay, so yeah, we take our Marc Jacobs liner.
I start making diagonal lines towards the edge of my eyebrow on both sides of my eye, and then I start bringing the edge of that in to meet my eyelash line. So I then take my liner to the center of my eye and do small strokes, then move forward towards my tear duct, another small stroke along my lash line, and then keep going forward until you meet the tear duct, and then I bring it all the way back to meet my diagonal line, the first line that I drew. But I make sure I'm doing really small strokes to make sure I'm making no mistakes and getting as close to my eyelash line as possible. And then I swap and do the same thing on the other eye to make sure everything is even. You can see I bring it all the way back to the diagonal line, and then I connect the diagonal line to the lines I've been making along my lash line. And then I go in and add to the thickness of my line. And fill in any gaps that I've got.
And then I just kind of compare, are they even in the shapes? Or let me be honest, my liner is never even, but no one notices. So yeah, I'm not a perfectionist. I am in some things, but all in all, I'm not a perfectionist. So if they look kind of similar, like I'm very happy with how they look right now. So now I'm just gonna go in and fill in any gaps and neaten the edges. And voila, there we have it. That is how I do my liquid liner. One of the main tips I think with liner is go very slow and steady. And I think what's helped me is do one bit on one eye, one bit on the other. I think that's the way I keep it semi-even. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply some lashes and I'll show you the finished look. Hey guys, so I've just added on a lash and look at the finished look. Also, these lashes are from my makeup line to be released soon. This lash is called the Maya lash, after my niece. She is my heart, so I was like, I need to name something after her, like, come on. I just love how these lashes go with like a winged liner. Yeah, so I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Winged liner is such a good addition to any look that you're doing, and it really adds some definition to the eye. If you want to make your everyday look that little bit more spicy, then I would say add in a winged liner. Thank you again so much for watching. I really hope this was helpful for you and it helped give you some tips on how to start playing around with winged liner. Keep your eyes peeled for the next episodes of the Makeup Basics. Also, if there's anything else that you want to see from me, then please let me know in the comments. Please remember to comment, like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video.